Imagine a man in his 60s who was tired of constant bathroom breaks disrupting his golf games. A simple addition to his diet, tomatoes, made a remarkable difference. These vibrant fruits are not just delicious, they hold the secret to naturally shrinking the prostate. If you or someone you know is struggling with an enlarged prostate, learning about the incredible power of tomatoes could be life-changing. Stay tuned to discover how this everyday food can transform your health. The prostate and its challenges. The prostate is a small gland that plays a crucial role in men's health. With age, hormonal changes can cause it to grow larger than normal, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. This can lead to frequent urination, interrupted sleep, and a host of other discomforts. Picture the prostate as a balloon that inflates over time. Without proper care, it can press against the bladder and urethra, creating unnecessary strain. The good news is that nature provides a way to deflate this balloon. Tomatoes, rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, are proving to be one of the most effective foods for promoting a healthy, well-sized prostate. Lycopene in tomatoes, the prostate shrinking ally. Lycopene, the star nutrient in tomatoes, works wonders for the prostate. It is a natural antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress, calms inflammation, and regulates cell growth in the prostate. This combination makes it a unique ally in preventing and even reducing prostate enlargement. A study tracking men with prostate issues found that those who consumed lycopene-rich foods like tomatoes experienced significant improvements in prostate size and function. For the prostate, lycopene acts like a precision tool, trimming excess growth while shielding healthy cells from harm. Think of lycopene as a master craftsman, carefully restoring balance to the prostate. By incorporating tomatoes into your diet, you provide your body with a consistent supply of this invaluable nutrient, helping to naturally shrink the prostate over time. Cooked tomatoes, unlocking lycopene's full potential. Raw tomatoes are nutritious, but cooked tomatoes are even more powerful when it comes to prostate health. Cooking releases lycopene in a form that is easier for the body to absorb. This process, known as increased bioavailability, turns simple dishes like tomato sauce or roasted tomatoes into potent health boosters. A chef who suffered from BPH incorporated tomato-based sauces into his daily meals. Over time, he noticed reduced nighttime urination and greater overall comfort. His favorite recipe? A rich marinara sauce with olive oil, which not only enhances lycopene absorption but also adds a Mediterranean flair to meals. From soups to stews, cooking tomatoes unlocks their true potential, making them a must-have food for anyone looking to shrink their prostate naturally. Friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more health-boosting tips. Making tomatoes the hero of your diet. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile, making it easy to include them in your daily meals. Tomato-based soups, sauces, and even roasted tomatoes with herbs can elevate any dish. For a powerful prostate-friendly meal, combine tomatoes with olive oil, which improves lycopene absorption. A family physician shared the story of a patient who began adding tomato sauce to his diet after learning about its benefits. Within a few months, he reported fewer symptoms of prostate enlargement and felt more energetic during the day. For added benefits, pair tomatoes with other anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric and green tea. A turmeric-spiced tomato soup with a side of whole grain bread makes a simple yet effective dinner that supports prostate health while satisfying your taste buds. Friends, please name one tomato-based dish that you could include in your weekly meals. Leave your thoughts in the comment sections to inspire more health-boosting habits. Foods and habits to avoid for prostate health. While tomatoes can help shrink the prostate, some foods can work against these benefits. High-fat dairy products, processed foods, and sugary snacks can contribute to inflammation and worsen prostate enlargement. Avoiding these foods allows the lycopene in tomatoes to work more effectively. One man swapped out his daily ice cream for a tomato-based gazpacho. Not only did this help reduce his prostate symptoms, but he also felt lighter and more active throughout the day. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods like tomatoes and steering clear of inflammatory ones, You create a balanced diet that supports your prostate and overall health. Friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget check out other health-boosting videos, links in the description. Hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more helpful tips. Let's prioritize and take control of your precious health. Thank you and see you in our next videos.